Are you looking to enhance your digital creativity and productivity at work? Do you want to master the tools that power modern design and document management? Or perhaps you're eager to dive into the world of graphic design, photo editing, or digital publishing. Welcome to the Adobe Tools Essentials at Work training. In this training, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of Adobe's key applications, each tailored to specific creative and professional needs. This training covers everything from mastering Adobe Acrobat Reader for PDF management to exploring the advanced features of Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and more. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.